Gw190521 is a significant discovery due to the masses of the resulting large black hole, and one or both of the smaller constituent black holes. Only indirect evidence for intermediate mass black holes, those with between 100 and 100,000 solar masses, had been observed earlier, and it was unclear how they had formed. Researchers hypothesize a hierarchical merger, in which the two progenitor black holes themselves may have formed from the merging of two smaller black holes, before migrating together and eventually merging. According to Discovery team member Vasiliki Kaligera of Northwestern University, this is the first and only firm, secure mass measurement of an intermediate mass black hole at the time of its birth. Now we know reliably at least one way such objects can form, through the merger of other black holes. In June 2020, astronomers reported observations of a flash of light loosely associated with the Gw190521 grams trigger, the merging of two black holes within the vicinity of a very large third black hole. The detection was made using the Zwicky Transient Facility (ZTF), located at Palomar Observatory in California. If the two events are actually linked, the event is claimed to be the first finding of a light flare related to the merger of two black holes. Mergers of black holes do not typically emit any light whatsoever. Researchers think a unique event occurred with the three black holes. The merging of the two smaller black holes sent the newly formed intermediate mass black hole on a trajectory that hurtled through the accretion disk of the supermassive black hole, disrupting the disk material and producing a flare of light. The newly formed black hole traveled at 200 km per second, 120 miles per second, through the disk, according to the astronomers. If this explanation is correct, the flare should repeat after about 1.6 years when the intermediate mass black hole again encounters the accretion disk. According to Matthew Graham, lead astronomer for the study, this supermassive black hole was burbling along for years before this more abrupt flare. The flare occurred on the right timescale, and in the right location, to be coincident with the gravitational wave event. In our study, we conclude that the flare is likely the result of a black hole merger, but we cannot completely rule out other possibilities.